What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to install our brand new trans cooler for the 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. So let's get right into it. Just a quick note that in this video, we're only going to be showing you how to install our transmission cooler. So if you need to learn how to take off the other parts off the vehicle, please refer to the OEM Toyota service manual or our written guide on our website. For the first step, remove the two 10mm bolts holding the factory transmission hardlines onto the fan shroud and replace them with the included Mishimoto hardlines. Install the Mishimoto hardlines in the same orientation as stock and using the factory mounting hardware. You will also want to transfer over the factory hose pieces and the clamps that secure them in place to their respective locations on the Mishimoto hardlines. Next, attach the brackets to the Mishimoto transmission cooler using the three 10mm length bolts, one for the top bracket and two for the side bracket. Now is also a good time to attach and secure two of the included straight hoses to the transmission cooler using two of the included worm gear clamps. You may or may not need to relocate the ambient air temperature depending on your vehicle. Ensure that it is installed in the location as shown here. Please note that some vehicles have this sensor mounted towards the bottom of the radiator. This location is fine as well. Install the Mishimoto transmission cooler into the vehicle and secure using one of the included 10mm length bolts for the top, and a washer and 12mm length bolt for each of the side mounting locations. Feed the hoses through the existing hole in the radiator trim piece. Next, the included weather stripping can be installed onto the condenser bracket as shown to prevent contact between the transmission cooler and a bracket if necessary. Then reinstall the fan shroud with the Mishimoto transmission hardlines attached. Then reconnect the lower transmission cooler lines. Attach the rubber pipe sleeves onto the remaining shorter hardlines. You can also attach the remaining straight hose using one of the included worm gear clamps. Next, install the shorter hardlines into the vehicle utilizing two of the included worm gear clamps. These should pass through an existing hole in the body. Please note that you may need to remove or cut a piece of foam that closes this hole. After that, attach both hardlines utilizing the remaining worm gear clamp and reattach the transmission cooler lines to the hardlines using the stock hardware. After that, the Mishimoto 4Runner transmission cooler installation is complete. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video, but if you want to purchase this trans cooler for yourself, hit the first link down below in the description, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all on the next one.